Hey guys, by the end of this video, you are going to understand that Gemini 3.0 is out and how to use it within Google Studio. And what I'm going to do for you guys today is this is my old website. Um, it's been sitting here literally as a demo because this is done with I think it's Hostinger, just the template, whatever. Because I use this as my demo to come in and see how quickly it has pretty good content. It's a horrible site, obviously, but I leave it horrible on purpose. For an example site, I do have another application site that I use as my main, but I always find this is a good one to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Claude. And I'm going to ask Claude as a prompt engineer, research this site and help me write a detailed website generating prompt for a Silicon Valley let's say $10 million, $10 million company, and use and take the content from this site, make it professional, sleek, and very and gold and black metallic. Research, spell it right, rewrite, detailed, search, metallic. Okay. So normally what I do, I'll prompt through Claude. I usually refine this. I also have a prompt site, but I don't want to get into that right now. That's okay. So we'll get this prompt. So then we'll go over here. All I did was went to AI Studio. I signed in. Add, you're here. So what I'll do now is I'll go back to build. I'll go to build here. And I'll say, okay, describe your idea. I'm feeling lucky. I was going to do this at first, but you know what? This too, what I'm doing right now. Let's see. Who knows? We might get something pretty cool. So, see, it's a premium website. It's literally writing it for V0. I don't know why I picked V0. That's new. Decided to pick V0. And as you can see, Claude is pretty good when you give it, like, I find this Silicon Valley $10 million website is pretty, it does a pretty good job. But what it does is it literally probably grab most of the content from here And we will paste it into the new fancy dancy Gemini 3.0 and see what we get. I'm hoping it's good. So, copy, boop, move this out of the way, and drum roll, please, build. Oh, I like how it printed that out. Look at that. It even did a list for it. What does everybody think? How's it going to turn out? Is it going to be okay? I've heard everybody saying the UI that comes out of this is, or everybody's saying, it's only been out for a few hours, but everybody's raving about it. The UI is pretty polished. Now, I don't think Canvas it out. Maybe we should just go look. Let's go see Gemini while we're waiting. 3.0. Gemini 3D Mind. Gemma VO. New Arbor Intelligence models. Where's our feed blog? Nearly 2 years after we kicked off Gemini era. Gemini 3. State-of-the-art reasoning. What's our numbers here? A huge jump on ARC. Visual reasoning and puzzles. Wow. So that means its picture recognition is way better. Its mathematics went up quite a fair bit. Massive jump there. Screen understanding. What? That's huge. That means this thing must be able to read like screenshots. We'll try that after, actually. That's a good one. I did not know that. That's a huge jump, guys. That's like 60%. I always notice that when you paste like an image into like Google Studio to do a mock, it never would do that good of a job. I'm not sure what's going on with this corner right here, this animation thing. It's growing. I never told it to do that. It's kind of cool, actually. What's that line? Ooh, that's kind of pretty. I think I just got a new website, guys. Is everybody looking at this? Oh, the buttons don't work. That's normal for. That's a normal process. I don't know why their menus never work. Let's try something. Since we just said that, let's add. Let's go to my now. I think I got a logo here somewhere. I love how I stay up late to check out new AIs. There's always something new coming out, so I'm always up late. Yeah, this is fun. Um, I like this. I I wonder if it's gonna. It marked it as a screenshot. Hmm. Didn't it say? Yeah, screen spot. Oh, makes sense. Oh, that's why it's doing those little blobby things. It loves that. That's its new thing. Ah. Okay. Um, that's pretty cool. I asked it to change my logo to S7 and it's just about some solution. It did it. Okay. So let's go back. Do I have a service page on my old one? Services. Yeah, let's just copy. I think I'm just going to replace my site after this. Why not? It doesn't hurt. I don't really use it, to be honest. I use my school community more. Yeah, guys, so if you're interested in stuff like this, go to school.com AI marketing reality. You will find me. I'm actually not that anymore because I'm AI Marketing Factory. You'll see my logo has changed. But it matches my YouTube channel. So the link's there in the description. Give it a click. Come over, join. Because I'm always up to stuff like this. And love to teach you guys how to do it. It's pretty simple. I have a background of coding for the last almost 18 years now. So I'm not just vibe coding. I vibe my way into a template, I guess you can say. So I'll spit out a framing of what I kind of like I'm doing here now. Then I'll pull down the code and mess around with it, like something like this. Right? This is another one of the sites I was just working on. So I pulled it down, mocked it out in Gemini, and then pulled it down to the music. Ooh. It didn't add the service page though. Okay. This is normally not a problem with the model as such. It's a problem with this tool they use. Because it says it did. The top menu buttons don't seem to be working. Can you ruminate on why they are not, and please do not break any other current functionality. So when you have something you like, I find a good prompt like all the time is to say that what I just said. Do not break anything else. Do not, or don't create extra functions, and do not break any current functionality. Because since the spec-driven development and BMAD and all these other patterns you come out with, which they're great, it's great, but as soon as it does lose context, I really like this. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't have huge hopes for it. Guys, message, like, I don't know, message in the chat what you guys think. I think it's pretty good. Like, yeah. Well, stay tuned. I might just update my website. Once it's done, I'll see, like, have you guys ever used the export from this one? It's pretty good. It just logs you right in the Git. It asks you what project you want to set up. You press the button. You press start. I don't think you can do. I didn't notice that you can do different branches in it though, which kind of sucks. But we can always use that once you get in your IDE. It's fine. But that's the only difference. It's pretty quick too. You guys notice it's fast? I think it's pretty fast. Woo! Oh, I like the gradient underneath. Ooh. Oh, it still broke. Oh well. I don't know why. If you go to every one of my mocks I do on here, the menu never works. I don't know why they can't do the menu. Not that menu anyway. Literally do not like. Where is our menu? Never. What did I got done here? That's a fail. Built that logo that you seen? You guys see that? That's actually code. They did it in divs, CSS. That's kind of neat. I like that. Right here, see? Not sure why they're doing link name map links. What? Why would they do this? I would not code it this way, to be honest. Like it worked anyway. It's weird memory. You hit back, it goes to a broken app. If you hit spin over here, this is a weird UI. You'd think they'd be better at that one. Their shell application kind of. I like it a lot. I'm gonna do one more thing, and then we're gonna call this a day. And another thing is, guys, this literally, yeah, it saves it automatically. This is the old look. This is what it did look like. And this is the new look. Definitely improvements. Leaps and bounds improvements. Let's open up Claude. What are we missing here? Where's that footer? Or did I just click? Each website. Okay, guys, I'm going to be off on that note. This is a great session. If you want me to cover anything else, I'm probably going to dig a little bit deeper into this. Maybe even tomorrow. We'll see. Stay tuned. I will be back. And I'll stop clicking on the footer so it does that. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll be back to do some stuff. Later.